18, 2012 that killed at least 26 people, showing just how quickly the inferno ripped through the plant. Eyewitnesses said the ground shook briefly before the pipeline exploded. People were literally crawling for their lives.
Fuck yeah, I'm videoing it. What the fuck?
I think that might be a gas station or something.
Fuck yeah, it's a gas. Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh! What the? Holy shit! No fucking way! Oh shit! Oh shit! No, baby! Oh no!
Nice. Are we dangerous here?
Yeah, we're dangerous. Oh my god! Oh dear!
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming!
Wow! Wow! I think we are dangerous.
It's literally an incendiary situation, so residents are ordered to evacuate. Darkness falls, and the firework-fueled chain reaction shows no sign of slowing down. In fact, it turns critical. Frightened locals take shelter miles away. Just in time. The main storage area of the compound ignites. A series of massive explosions engulf the neighborhoods within a mile radius of the factory. The largest of the explosions measures a 2.0 magnitude earthquake on the Richter scale.